On day 4, the water was a little rough as we awoke to another beautiful sunrise. We relaxed in camp until late morning, hoping the water would calm.
Just waiting it out here, getting ready to make the cross from South to North Manitou. This is where we are, and that's where we're going.
As we moved away from South Manitou, the water goes from a beautiful turquoise color to a dark navy blue as it gets deeper. The white caps from earlier had subsided, but we could still notice the waves grow as we leave behind the protection of South Manitou Island. After landing at the Crescent Dock ruins, we hiked slightly inland to look for our campsite. On this side of North Manitou, there are no campgrounds. Camping is dispersed and you have to be at least 300 feet away from the water. We made camp and took care of our usual camp chores. Based on historical records, it appears that the current Swenson's barn was built around 1924 by the Manitou Island Association to support its beef cattle endeavor. Today, the barn is a fun place to visit and reflect on what life on North Manitou was like over 90 years ago. After our hike, we went down to the shore to watch the sunset on another wonderful day of paddling.